The fun part is coming up. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Woo! Oh my god, it looks so cool.
Yes, and I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
Welcome to this farm.
Hi, Sridhandravi.
Hi.
What you doing today?
We are doing the science with balloons,
Mentos.
Carol, four balloons, and Mentos, soda.
Yes, that's true. We are doing the Coke. We have the small Coke this time. We did the bigger giant Coke the last time. Yeah, and the Mentos and learn some colors and blow these balloons with the Mentos. So are you ready to do the experiment? Let's see how the Mentos and the Coke gonna blow our balloons, right? Now we gonna put these Mentos. We are just using the 2 Mentos in each balloon. So let's see how it's gonna turn it out. So let's put the Mentos in the balloon, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready, guys?
Yes, I can help.
Okay. Let's put this one Mentos
Yes.
here.
And the other Mentos.
And the other Mentos, not just one. Let's just do 2, okay?
Yeah.
So it will come in the balloon like this, okay?
All done with the Mentos.
Yes, we are all done with the Mentos in the balloons, right? Now what we're gonna do the next is we're gonna take all the lids off from Coke. Let's go ahead and open the lids up and then we can put the balloons on the Coke. The exciting part is coming up, guys. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Okay, Sriza, now can you put the balloons in the Coke?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
let's try. Yes, like that, that. We are done with the balloons.
Yes. Now we have this.
The fun part is coming up. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Woo! I don't know how it's gonna work or not, but we already spilled 1 bottle.
Yeah.
So-
We are spilling all there.
Yeah, all over we had a big accident. Can you count the Coke bottles, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Good job. 10 Coke bottles with the colorful balloons. Now, Ruby, your turn. Can you count? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God. Good job. Are you ready to put the Mentos inside the bottle? Okay, you do the pink, okay? Already, let me see how it's gonna work. You have to twist and squeeze. I don't know. And look. Yeah. Look at this, guys.
This is pink color.
This is. Look
We have to open that.
Look at that. Oh my God. Look.
You have to open that.
Look.
Okay, now.
That's cute. Oh my God. It just really works. See? It did work, guys.
Stop.
She's like.
You see? It's stop.
Yeah, it will blow. That's good. You like it? Okay, Sridhana, which color you want next? Purple. Okay, let's do the purple. Wow.
Okay, here.
That's cool. See? The purple one. That's so cool. Do you think it's cool? Yeah. Look at the purple and pinky one.
Yeah, and the yellow and the gray.
Yellow. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Squeeze.
You can squeeze.
Here. Oh. See? Oh
Yeah,
my. Look
so
at that. I know. Look at that, guys. Look.
Get that soda.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Get that soda.
Oh my god. Like this?
No.
Like this? Look. Like this?
No. Like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's doing like popcorn.
Popcorn, I know.
How do we get out? Like squeeze it.
Okay.
Let's get stopped in a minute.
Color is that one? Great. Look at that, the orange one. Shoo! Look at that orange. Yeah. Zip. Shoop. Squeeze. Guys.
And let's see. You're not I got see it.
I know. Now, okay, let's do the white. Guys, look. Oops. No. It's spilling. Look at that, the red one. Look at that.
You have to do that.
Okay.
That's enough. Huh?
Hmm.
Why do we have it like that?
I know, look, because we had an accident, see, all the coke was spoiled, but it is doing a little blow up, right?
Right.
I know.
It's
Color is it?
brown.
Okay.
It's brown again.
I know, look at that. Brown color. What color is it? Brown? Yes. Oh my god, look at that.
That's weird.
That's not weird, that's cool.
Oh, this is too weird too.
Yeah, it's weird and cool, right? What? Yeah, that's so cool.
Oh,
Is it done?
weird.
Guys, look, this is the last one, and the last one is what color is it? Blue. And let's put the. Oh my!
That is weird.
That is. Look at that, guys.
That is awesome and weird.
I know. Look at that.
That is so funny.
That's so cool.
I got this.
Okay. You want to put the coke, all the coke inside there? Let's do the experiment.
Oh no. It's not
Like
soft.
that. Do it like that. Look at that.
Or even shake.
Look, all the coke. Guys, see all the cokes in here. See all the coke.
What there is gonna pop.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have.
See? Boom. You wanna hold it? Oh my god, that's so cool. I know. Yeah. That's so cool.
I have to double it.
Look
All
at-
the cook inside.
I know.
Nope.
That's so cute. Oh my god, it looks so cool.
Yes, and I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
Yes, I did.
Look, okay, now can you count it?
Yes.
Okay.
This is 1,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 Coke and the 10 colorful balloons, right? Okay, now.
I actually spill it.
No, I know. Oh, see, look at that, guys. See. Now tell me the colors from the blue.
Okay, this is blue,
Blue,
brown,
brown, red, green tiny. I know.
I think my hand is big or I'm 4 years old.
Okay, okay, green,
White,
white, and she's doing funny faces. Pink,
and purple.
purple,
Actually black too.
yeah,
Yellow,
yellow,
orange,
orange,
and gray.
gray. Oh my God! Do you think it's so cool?
Yes.
You
now
like-
we have to look.
It's okay. That's okay. You can have a fun. So, what do you want to say now?
Thank you for watching. Hope you in the comments give the thumbs up. With RS Toy Rodeo with RS Kids Play with me and Baby with the Balloon Show with Scientist Experiment.
Science experiment. Yay! Thank you for watching, guys. We hope you like our science experiment of Coke and Mentos. We had the Diet Coke and regular Coke, and we had we did try like 10 Cokes. Oh my God, the 10 Coke was a lot for our tiny teeny table, but that's okay. We had a big oil spill, so that's the why you can see the green one is so little because we spilled. Look at the Sriza is tasting the Coke. See, he likes Coke.
Yeah, I like it. Or I like pizza too.
Oh, she likes pizza too. So thank you for watching, guys. RS Kids Fun with Sriza and Ruby. We hope you like our videos. If you do, just tell us what do you think. Comment. But don't forget to support us, please. Ups. Are you okay, Sriza? There. Say bye.